Okay, I took yesterday off. We got hunters here. We had somebody right down there. So I had a cold anyway, so I just rested a bit. So now I'm going to get this last sheet on and then get this side completely buttoned up. And it's really nice out. Even though the sun's not out, it's not too breezy, so I think I'm going to go right in and, because it's nice and dry here, get all this squeeze out cut off and see how many of the slats I can get on. That will get the same slats as this. Oh, you can hardly see them now, but these shorter slats at the top and shorter slats at the bottom, just like this. So I can do the upper ones, get all the upper ones in place before I have snow on here. In the 10-day forecast, after tomorrow's supposed to be the best day of all, 47 and sunshine. After that, it's rain and snow in the forecast, and really cold weathers and windy. So really garbage weather coming up. So if I can get this on today and this back one on here, I'm going to try to get this whole side, at least get the slats on. If I can't get the house wrap on right away, that's okay. I can do that pretty much any time. Okay, I better get to work. not in the forecast, but it's raining. But at least I got this side done. So that's going to wrap it up for today. We got rain. So I'll get this side done tomorrow. If you want to see that, make sure you subscribe and click on the update icon. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and have a great day.